Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Look how huge that airplane is. I hear one taking off. Let's see. There we go. Man, these airplanes are huge. But actually, there's an airplane that's bigger than that one. It's the 3-story. And I'll show you that one. I'm trying to see if it's going to take off. But good God, look how huge the airplane is. Okay, guys. So let's talk about small business loans. And here's one that's actually exciting. Huntington, today they just announced a $25 million small business loan. Okay, small business lending program for minority, women-owned, and veteran-owned businesses. Okay, so they just announced this. Okay, and here's the thing about it. With this lending program, they're really trying to help people out. Under the new program, businesses can secure SBA guaranteed loans for as little as $1,000 up to $150,000. Okay, and in addition to the SBA guarantee, the Huntington Lift Local Business feature include, and which I'll put a link down below. Okay, so don't worry about it. I'll put a link down below so you can check it out. But they're going to give you 0 origination fees, your SBA fees paid by Huntington. You can have a low credit score requirement. So in terms of a low credit score requirement, I'm thinking that they're probably going to have like maybe about possibly about a 580 to maybe 640 credit score, or even lower. It's going to offer free financial education, checking accounts with 24-hour grace, overdraft fee relief, and service fee waived for 36 months. So you have a checking account with them, they're going to waive your overdraft fees as well. Okay, and it's a long-term repayment program. So wow, that's pretty good. So if you are in an area where you have access to a Huntington Bank, and again, I'll put the link below so that you can see it. But with this, and let's see, business loans fell between 25%. But with this here, it definitely is going to help a lot of people. This is a part of the Operation Hope program. And so what they're trying to do, again, with minority businesses, as well as women-owned and disabled veterans, they're trying to help them get access to funding. And just remember, it's from $1,000 up to, you can borrow from $1,000 up to $150,000. Okay, so that's pretty good, especially if they're willing to work with you, even if you have a low credit score. There's other programs out like that, but Huntington offering this here loan for like it's a $25 million loan for minority and small business owners, disabled veterans and everything. So I think it's pretty cool. I hear another plane coming in. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if we can catch one going out. Like where my room is, I can just look them running down the runway. But I decided to come out and get some fresh air and hang out with you guys. Let's see what's going on. Before the pandemic, man, you talking about this area, you had planes going in and out, in and out, in and out. And it's like you didn't have this here, like this here break here. You didn't have that. You would see planes like constantly running in and out. Oh. Okay, guys. So I guess that's what's it. But for some of you all wondering where I'm at, what you're seeing now, like this here mud and stuff like that, the reason you see that is because the tide is out. So the tide won't come back in till about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then you'll see where all these mud spots, you're going to see the ocean all the way, it'll come all the way back up here. So if you want to learn more about business loans, again, I put the link below so you can find out more about that business loan through Huntington. But if you want to get access to the free business credit videos, you definitely click the link below and you'll be able to get access to the free business credit videos. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one consultation as well. So this is Houston with three-way funding. Thank you.